Hi, my name is Benjie Eugenio. I am the OIC, it's our MO of Estancia Iloilo. And in this blog, I'll be presenting with you salient features of the recently concluded League of Municipalities of the Philippines regional meeting for Region 6. We're in the planning workshop. They released a utilization of 13 billion budget for 2021 was discussed. I would like to just give you a bird's eye view. The projects that were discussed during the said workshop are the following: financial assistance to the GUs, and number two, it's the disaster rehabilitation and reconstruction program, and number three, the support to barangay development programs. The 13 billion that's allocated by DBM for local government support fund, the following are the proposed that shall be funded by this allocation, and these are as follows: local roads, improvement of public markets, slaughterhouses, multipurpose buildings, drainage canals, and many others. The next one is the purchase of ambulance trucks, multi-cabs, and barangay street lighting, and of course the purchase of medical equipment, financial assistance on health and sports program, assistance program and projects for education, health and social protection in the light of COVID-19, and of course assistance for indigent individuals like food assistance, burial, and many others. So this is going to be in addition to what the DSWD is doing. And as I said, these are some of the projects and activities that will be funded. There are many other issues and concerns that were raised during this planning workshop. The highlights are as follows. Number one, the compliance to DBM requirements. The DBM emphasized that technical requirements should be complied with properly and it should be done on time. And the next one is their concern about the technical know-how among barangay officials. They have noted that some of the proposals coming from the barangay officials will not meet their standards. So it is imperative for local barangay officials to have guidance with regards to the preparation of their proposals to be submitted to DBM. And of course, they reminded also about the non-diversion of funds. So if the allocation is for a specific project, it should never be diverted to other purposes. And the next one is reversal to national funds. So whenever a project fails to be completed on time, DBM says the budget allocation will be reverted back to national coffers. So it is very important to work within the timeline. Compliance should be done in accordance with the agreed timeline from the DBM. DBM has committed itself to work closely with the LGUs, and we are so happy to announce that during this workshop, LMP President Chabit Singh Son was there, motivated all the participants to really work closely with DBM so that the projects being proposed and submitted to their office will have no problem at all, and it shall be funded without any glitch. So there you are. Thank you for watching. God bless.